Hi, if you're new here, I'm Jamie, the owner of Not Too Shabby, and today I'm sharing our brand new release for February. You're getting a super cute sneak peek of our Paper Pad Club of the Month. If you're new and not sure what our Paper Pad Club of the Month is, it's a monthly subscription where you get 2 paper pads. You can opt in for coordinating ephemera and a 4x6 stamp set. When you get all options, you'll want to choose the I Want It All option. When you choose monthly for your frequency, you get 18% off. You'll get it delivered every 30 days from the date you purchased, and it's a wonderful surprise. Or you can head on over to the Not Too Shabby channel and check out our sneak peeks. Today our stamp set is called Sweet Little Cuties, and boy are these little critters very adorable. We also have the Stamp of the Month Club, so if you just wanted the stamp, you'll head on over to the shop and choose the listing Stamp of the Month. You can also purchase our subscriptions as a one-time purchase or subscribe and save. If you're interested in pre-ordering our Box of the Month, the link is in the description box below. This month I've opened up the subscription, so if you've been waiting to get on this monthly club, now's your chance. Click the link in the description box, pre-order your box, and I'll have that shipped out for you in February. Check out our other sneak peeks on the Not Too Shabby channel to see what's in store. I'm going to play some music, so enjoy the process. I've used a wonderful sheet load of cards sketch today by Call Me Crafty Al. I kind of winged the measurements, but I had a lot of fun. This sketch is also in collaboration with KCC, sketch number 18. So how fun is that? 2 creators collaborating together. Absolutely love that. If you want to find out how to get your own sheetload of cards sketch, I'll have Alicia's channel linked down below. So the papers in this month's club are absolutely sweet, so fresh and cute. I can't wait to see what you make with this collection. We also sell our paper pads and ephemera packs individually. So if you just want to shop a la carte, we'll have that all listed for you on February 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. Meet me at 10 a.m. Central Time on the 1st. I usually do a live unboxing and a little crafting. We usually do some giveaways too. So I'd love for you to join.
Pull out the paper, stamps and glue. Easy joy in what we do. Berry sweet little cuties, oh so fun. Strawberries, oranges, one by one. Mix and match, simple and cute. Paper Pad Club creativity, rooted in joy. Wild strawberries across the page. Classic, playful, never out of date. Stamp a smile, send it along. Very sweet cuties, perfect all year long. No rush, no rules, just time to play. Little moments made this way. Berry sweet little cuties, soft and bright. Layers and patterns coming to life. Cards and happy mail to send. February crafting done with friends. Cut, layer, stamp, repeat. Handmade always feels the sweet. A calm moment, a spark of cheer. Paper Pad Club is my favorite here. Berry sweet little cuties, hearts agree. Orange and berry charm on every sheet. Sweet little Let's take a peek. Soft, happy colors, fresh and sweet. Sweet little cuties, bright and light. Orange tones glowing, just feels right. Pull out the papers, stamps and glue. Easy joy in what we do. Berry sweet little cuties, oh so fun. Strawberries, oranges, one by one. Mix and match, simple and cute. Paper Pack Club creativity, rooted in joy. Hey! Wild strawberries across the page. Classic, playful, never out of date. Stamp a smile, send it along. Very sweet cuties, perfect all year long. No rush, no rules, just time to play. Little moments made this way. Very sweet little cuties, soft and bright. Layers and patterns coming to life. Cards and happy mail to send. February crafting done with friends. Cut, layer, stamp, repeat. Handmade always feels this sweet. A calm moment, a spark of cheer. Paper Pack Club is my favorite here. Very sweet little cuties, hearts agree. Orange and berry charm on every sheet. Sweet little cuties.
Other supplies used in my video, I've grabbed Lynn's Ultimate Sentiments die and stamp set, which is now back in stock, along with Teresa's One and Done sentiment strip. Beautiful die with stitching, great for a sentiment stash builder.
February's here, let's open the fun. Look at these colors, sunshine begun. Sweet little cuties, bright and so sweet. Juicy little oranges you just want to eat. Soft papers, happy days. Grab your scissors, come and play. Very sweet little cuties, oh my heart. Strawberries, oranges, right from the start. Mix and match, let your creativity bloom. Happy mail